The moment the Mercedes-Maybach S680 V12 Edition 1 of 50 appears, it doesn't just arrive, it makes a statement. This is not a car built for everyone. This is a machine crafted for a select few who demand exclusivity, silence, and unmatched refinement. With only 50 units in existence, owning one is less about transportation and more about legacy. From the outside, the S680 carries a presence that feels almost royal. The long wheelbase stretches elegantly across the pavement, while the iconic Maybach grille stands tall with vertical chrome slats that shimmer under light. The two-tone paintwork exclusive to the Edition 1 enhances its grand personality. Every chrome detail, every polished surface, every carefully sculpted curve reflects hours of meticulous craftsmanship. The doors close with a soft, vault-like sound, a reminder that this is engineering at its finest. Step inside and the world outside fades instantly. The cabin feels like a private jet lounge designed for the road. Hand-stitched Napa leather covers nearly every surface, while real wood trims and metallic accents elevate the atmosphere into something extraordinary. Rear passengers are the true focus here. Executive reclining seats with massage functions, heating, ventilation, and calf support transform long journeys into relaxing experiences. Fold-out tables, champagne flutes, and refrigerated compartments remind you that this car was designed for comfort beyond imagination. Ambient lighting flows softly around the cabin, adjustable in multiple colors, creating a serene and almost cinematic environment at night. At the heart of this masterpiece lies something increasingly rare in the modern automotive world: a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. Producing around 621 horsepower and immense torque, the S680 moves with effortless authority. Acceleration feels smooth and silent, almost unreal for a vehicle of this size. There is no aggressive roar, no dramatic vibration, just a powerful surge delivered in absolute calm. The 9-speed automatic transmission works seamlessly, ensuring every shift is undetectable. The ride quality is where the Maybach truly separates itself from everything else. Advanced air suspension scans the road ahead and adapts in real time, gliding over imperfections as if they don't exist. It feels less like driving on asphalt and more like floating above it. Technology inside the S680 is cutting-edge yet beautifully integrated. Dual high-resolution screens stretch across the dashboard, powered by the latest Maybach system. Voice commands respond naturally, navigation appears crystal clear, and rear entertainment displays keep passengers connected and entertained. Burmester 4D surround sound fills the cabin with concert hall quality audio, making every note feel alive. Safety is equally advanced. Adaptive cruise control, active lane steering, blind spot monitoring, and a suite of intelligent driver assistance systems work quietly in the background. The car constantly monitors its surroundings, ensuring that comfort never compromises security. But what truly defines the Edition 1 of 50 is exclusivity. Special badging, unique color combinations, and limited production numbers transform this Maybach into a collector's dream. In a world shifting toward electrification and smaller engines, the V12 stands as a symbol of tradition, power, and mechanical excellence. It represents the final era of pure combustion luxury at its peak. Pricing for the S680 V12 Edition 1 easily exceeds the $200,000 mark in the United States, and with customization options it climbs even higher. But for buyers in this segment, price is secondary. What matters is the experience, the feeling of stepping into something few others will ever own. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 V12 Edition 1 of 50 is not built to impress crowds at traffic lights. It is built for those who appreciate silence over noise, comfort over chaos, and prestige over popularity. It is an automobile designed without compromise, crafted with intention, and powered by one of the last great V12 engines of our time. As the automotive industry moves toward a new future, Cars like this remind us of what ultimate luxury once meant. Handcrafted excellence, mechanical artistry, and timeless elegance. The S680 V12 Edition 1 isn't just transportation. It's a statement of arrival, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a farewell tribute to the golden age of the V12.